Hey y'all, it's Rene here and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I want to say come on, let's get comfortable, okay? This is my space where I do my hair, a little bit of beauty, and if you are returning, you already know what we're about to do today, okay? So today I'm going to show you guys an easy braided ponytail style. If you want to see it, stay tuned. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm starting off from freshly washed, deep conditioned and detangled hair. You see me here just taking out my forward plaits. I'm ready to get the hair started and parted and get it ready to go. So you see me here just separating my hair from the front and the back, just so we can do this easy braided ponytail, okay? So after I got everything in the front separated, I went ahead and worked on the back a little bit and parted that and make sure everything was straight like I liked it. Went ahead and detangled it. And I'm just gonna twist it up and get it out the way. Then I went in and started to part the front of my hair so I can get ready to do those cornrows in the front, okay? Now remember, the front of the head is the star of the show, okay? So these parts have to be nice, have to be crisp as you can make them, or as good as you want them to look, all right? So I went ahead and detangled my hair a little bit just so I can get ready to cornrow it. And then I went in with a little clip just to separate the hair on the other side to make sure I don't have any crossover hairs, just to make sure my parts are as crisp as I can make them. And y'all know what I went in with, my favorite curl activator cream. I'm gonna leave all the products that I used on my hair down below in the description box so you can see what I am using on my hair. And this just basically makes my hair all nice and moisturized and shiny, just the way I like it. Then I went ahead just to detangle one more time, and then I went in with a little bit of my olive oil just to seal in all that moisture I just added. And then I followed up with some jam just to slick down those edges and just to add a little more sleekness and shine. And then I went in with my fine tooth comb just to smooth everything down just before I began corn rolling it. And y'all knew it was next. Y'all go ahead and let me know down in the comments below if y'all knew styling foam was next. Y'all know I love this stuff. I love to use styling foam when I'm cornrowing or twisting my hair because it allows my hair to have more slip. So when I cornrow or twist my hair, and what I mean by that is like flat twist my hair can actually glide upon itself and not be tangled and make a nice, smooth and sleek cornrow or twist. So if you haven't used styling foam while you've done your cornrows or your braids or your twists, I suggest you try it. So this braid here, I'm doing it to the front of my head and kind of straight down. And then boom, you see me here just detangling the bottom of the braid so it can be nice and smooth. Then I went ahead and split the other side of my hair into two so I can create two braids on the other side. And I kind of did this one the same way, just along the hairline there, down the side of my head. And I used the same products, I layered all the same products the same way to create the same braid on the opposite side of my head. Then I went in again and repeated the same process. If you're enjoying this tutorial, if you're enjoying catching new tips on how to do your hair, how to style your hair, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you can be aware of when I drop a new video. I drop one every Friday and I want you to come back and check me out, okay? So y'all, we in a home stretch now. So what I'm gonna do is take the back of my hair, detangle that, and then I'm gonna put it in a ponytail. I had already layered on my products, my curl activator cream and my olive oil. So at this point you see me just going ahead and put it into a ponytail. Alright guys, it's time to create the braided ponytail part of the style. So I went in with my curl activator Creme, and then I'm going to follow up with, of course, some styling foam. I love to use this because it gives my hair more slip. It allows me to be able to make a sleeker braid, a very neat braid, and a very shiny braid once it all dries up. So that's why I love to use it. You see me here going in and detangling my hair just to make sure all the hairs are in the same direction. So when I begin to braid them, I'm telling you that braid is going to look crisp. I separate my hair into 3 separate sections. I try to make them of equal size so the braid can look the same as it's going all the way down from thick to thin, going down to the ends of my hair, and then I begin to braid. At the end of the braid, I coil my hair around my fingers, and then I follow up with a rubber band at the ends just to make sure the braid doesn't come loose while it's drying. So now you're probably thinking like, girl, what you gonna do with those 3 hanging braids in the front? Like, I thought this was a braided ponytail tutorial. What's happening here? Don't worry. So I went ahead and took the little hair tie that I had on the back with the now 2 braided ponytail, and I take the 3 braids on the front and pull them back and make an entire ponytail style. Now I was sure to make sure that the ponytail that I created here was not too tight. Do not make your ponytails too tight. They don't need to be too tight. The products will make things look sleek and shiny, okay? I took those braids from the front and I wrapped them around the ponytail holder just so we can hide it and just to give that ponytail a little more flair. And then I follow it with a nice little black rubber band just to make sure those individual pieces wrapped around that ponytail holder were nice and secure. And then boom, here I go. Oh, look at that braided ponytail. Y'all, won't this style so easy? And it's cute and it's protective. Girl. Give it to them, girl. Yes. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed my easy braided ponytail tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like this video. If you really enjoyed seeing me do my hair and you want to see me do my hair some more, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Definitely drop me some comments down below and let me know what you think. And until next time, see you later. Hey, before you go, don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.